Hey guys, recently we received this mobile standing desk for viewing purposes, and I think that it's great because it has an adjustable height and tilt, so we can easily transform it from a sitting to a standing posture, and you can have different combined spacious platforms to maximize the use of space on your workstation. As you can see, you have a wide space where you can be working, doing some annotations or anything that you need. And I think that it's really nice because first of all, you got the wheels. On the back side, you can lock them in place if you need it. Okay. That way it won't move. And it's nice. And the most important thing is that you can take it up. Okay. You can move it depending of what you need. In your case, you can lock it this mechanism right here. And like that, you have a higher area. You can have your monitor, your PC, or whatever you need right here. And you can also move this one, okay? Okay, to any height that you want. And as I've said, if you need it, if you're a sketch artist or anything, you can have it move around, okay? You can be working right here with a book in here, even your mouse or anything like that. And this space right here, okay, if in case you want it, you can move it a bit across the bar, like this, separate it a little bit, and still you are able to tilt it, okay? I think that it's really nice. And that way you have your mouse, your PC right here, and a book here, okay? You could be in a setup more likely like this with your laptop in here. In this case, I got my Kindle and an iPad right here, but you could have a sketch note, a notebook where you take your notes or anything, whatever you need, which I think that it's nice because you can give it many different uses, albeit to study, to do some work, artwork, whatever you need. I think that it's really nice. Having that option of that customization, it's really nice. Being able to select if you wanted it to be a little bit more taller and having more space, being able to select the angle of this thing, it's really nice. And overall, because it's really nice, it was released to assemble. I think that it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.